Good morning, everybody. Brian Morris here. It is 8:49 a.m. It's Thursday, November 8th, 2018. Just been kind of watching this chop all morning. You notice the EMAs are flat, especially this, the green 89 EMA, very flat. All the other faster EMAs are just kind of whipsawing around it, just very flat. Starting to get a little bit of a fanning to the downside here of these EMAs. The 89's turning down a bit. So I thought, let's see if this we get a breakout to the downside out of here. There's some structure down to the back here from about an hour ago, 45 minutes ago. But let's see if we can break through and trigger this trade. So I'll pause the video and see if anything triggers. And it did not trigger. Came down almost. Well, I think that was already there. I think this is just a new level of support that just popped on. But it really is. I think this structure off to the left, this support area, that's kind of pushing this off. So I'm just going to cancel this because this isn't really going to be a real valid trade right now. So we'll come back when there's something to show. Alright, so here we are entering trade. Got a decent entry here. I'm just making a play. This is also one of the strategies for arranging markets. As you can see here, this came down. It's hit this level of support area down here. And come on, one more tick. Touched our target. Come on. Hate when it does that. Come on, there we go. Push through. Nailed it. So we got our 3 points. 60 buckaroos. Even before the market opened, it's 9:04. About to be 9:05. And that's just that simple. This one is more of a, like I say, a range play. But you have to be careful and make sure that, I mean, like, this one would have been a good play here. You could have taken this one. You could have taken a short off of this one. This one was a little bit of a whipsaw in here, but your stop would have been up here, still would have been a winner. You could have come down here. White candle actually formed down here. It technically would have been a good one because of the structure we had back here. You could have taken this one to the upside. This one short probably wouldn't have taken this one short just because it was there's structure back here, but nothing that there's a little bit back here, but you've got some more structure up there. It's kind of more, a little bit spread out. I probably would not have taken this one. And again, I mean, if you're following the general rules, you could have taken a short here, but I wouldn't have taken this particular trade here just because of the flatness of the market at the time. Again, this is another one, another good one. The upside, which I just took. So there, when it's arranging like this, there are plays you can take, but you just got to be cautious and have a little bit of discretion on when and where you're taking these trades. So got a good one today. Got our one and done. So I'm going to update the spreadsheet and we'll be done for the day. All right, so let's finish up the spreadsheet here. This is the 7th, right? No, this is the 8th. I screwed up somewhere. Maybe the dates are wrong somewhere. This was Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday. I'll have to go back and double check these figures. I think, yeah, we had a losing day on Tuesday, didn't we? I'll need to go back and double check these figures, but somewhere these dates got messed up. I'll figure that out. But anyway, we got our 3 points today, so there's 12 ticks. 1 trade, 1 win, 0 losses. Getting back to our winning ways. $60. Should know this. $55.50. Getting back up there. Almost made up this back. What is this? 146. So still another $100 to go to make this up. if something happens later and there's just a fantastic trade that comes along, maybe we'll take it, especially after the market opens and settles. Otherwise, if that happens, I'll come back and update you. Otherwise, we'll call it a day, and that's it for today. 46 trades in, averaging about $60 a day. We had a stretch there where we were doing 2 contracts, but we'll get back to it. It's a marathon, not a sprint. I'd rather get there the right way and make sure to build up the account properly and show you how this can be done. Like I said, this is not get rich quick. This is make money, but make money consistently, and you need to do it the right way. And that's how I teach you the money management, the psychology of trading, and journaling is important so you can see your past. And I'll show you all this. Just visit stormtraderacademy.com, sign up, and let's get doing this together. So unless something else comes up, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so a little adjustment here. I did take another trade here. Saw this broke through the support. Took a trade to the, I knew this was going to move to the upside, and wish I would have stayed in it. Look at it go. I was looking for just a few ticks to kind of get myself over that $100 for the day, which I had done. Let me show you here. And it moved up. There was some slippage getting in of about 2 ticks, and as I was moving my stop, or my target, down, it kind of just passed through it. So I didn't get a full, I was able to adjust it a little bit, but I didn't get a full 12 ticks, but it looked like I got 9. And so as I was trying to adjust it and find the right thing, once I dropped it down, it just shoot right through it. So let me adjust this spreadsheet, and I think we'll call it a day. Okay, so it looked like my microphone wasn't working there, so I'm going to have to make another video here and splice them together. So as far as you can see, it's only one video. So we got 9 more ticks out of that last trade. So we got 2 winners, 2 trades, and we were at 105. So $96 on the day. Now we're getting closer to that, making up that loser. Where were we before? We were at 2027. No. 21.79 the day before. 21. Yeah, we're only about what is that, $58 away. Hopefully we can get back to that tomorrow and then get back on track. So that's it for today. We'll see you guys tomorrow.